All right, we're going to take a nice little ride here in a really super clean 2001 BMW 325CI. These years were really good. A lot of BMW mechanics tell me these are probably one of the best, simplest engines. No turbos or anything like that. Really reliable for the most part for a BMW. And if you take care of it, it'll last your lifetime. This particular car is a one owner. Lady owned it, and it's got 56,776 miles on it. She bought it right here in Southern California. It's never left. Always been to the dealer for service. I have all the service records, window sticker, both keys, past smog. Nothing wrong with this car. I mean, we went through the whole thing, and it's just beautiful. So basically, it's got the Sport and Premium package, which is the leather interior, the sport seats. It has freezing air conditioning, AM, FM, CD player. Not too many people have some CDs left here and there. But it's got a 2.5 liter, 6-cylinder engine, 5-speed automatic transmission. This one's got the steering wheel controls. Also has a nice moonroof, sunroof. It's got the 17-inch wheel upgrade. Some Michelin tires on there. Just a pleasure to drive. You could use it as a commuter or a fun car for the weekends. But it's a neat looking little coupe. I'll go up here and take some more pictures and video for you. Get a better look at it. All right, we're gonna do a little walk around here with our 25-year-old BMW. Sure doesn't look like it's 25 years old. It's a 2001 325CI coupe. Nice sporty little coupe. 2.5 liter, 6-cylinder engine. 5-speed automatic transmission. They call it a Steptronic, so you can shift through the gears if you want. Little sport mode. This one has the premium and sport package, which, you know, includes the sport seats with the recliners, 10-way adjustable, power windows, pretty much everything in these things. Power sunroof. We have the window sticker, both keys, manuals, even some brochures that were at the BMW dealership when this lady bought it brand new. It's got the 17-inch wheels, of course 4-wheel power disc brakes. She tinted the windows a little bit, keep the sun out. They probably preserved that interior, although this thing was always in the garage. Super well cared for. Dealer maintained. Even the headlights, we didn't polish those. Those were already clear and clean. Very, very nice condition. Titanium silver is the name of the color. Show you inside. Still got that leather smell in the interior. That's usually gone by now. People take care of cars, it hangs in there. No dash cracks or anything like that. All original equipment in here, no modifications whatsoever. There's that power sunroof. Back seats with headrest. Really comfortable car too. Handles good, drives good, got cup holders there. Beautiful, affordable, second car, first car, third car, fun car. You can use it for anything. Give it to your kid. Here's the power plant in the 325CI. 2.5 liter, 6-cylinder. Kind of a big 6-cylinder. These things go pretty good. But all the VIN numbers and stickers and tags are where they're supposed to be. There's no stories with this car. It's always nice when you get it from the original owner, especially if it's local. Not through an auction or something like that. Go ahead and fire it up for you. The thing runs so good. It was recently serviced too, so it's not due for anything right now. Just carry the torch. Look how quiet that engine is. My goodness. Some guys like to mod these things out too. You know, put exhaust on it, cold air intake. If you're a young person, you might want to do that. But I don't know. I like it the way it is. Nice and stock, original, clean car. Well, if you want to see this one in person, come out and visit us at California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place, Simi Valley, California. Phone number is 818-591-1313. My name is Rich. I'd be happy to show you this really nice 56,000 mile BMW. Thanks for watching.